If you want to make your bathroom feel like a 5-star hotel without leaving the house, I've got some DIY decorating tips for you. It is part 2 of our series where we are turning our bedrooms into 5-star feeling hotels on a budget. In last video, I turned a small corner in my bedroom into a coffee station, reminiscent of one of my favorite hotels. In today's video, we are taking this bathroom, we're gonna add a few DIY decor touches to it to make it feel more luxurious and more high-end, but we're gonna do it on a budget. My bathroom is perfectly fine as is, but I do want it to feel kind of more spa-like, and I want to add just those little touches that I know are going to take it to that next level so I can feel relaxed and luxurious at home without spending a ton of cash. So here's how my bathroom looks now. The first thing I am going to do is clean my bathroom and declutter it. So get everything off of those surfaces. Now, as much as I love decorating a whole lot more than I love cleaning, I know that this is the free thing that I can do to make my bathroom feel so much more chic and more spa-like. If you've ever been to a hotel that you love, you'll notice it is virtually clutter-free. So I know we can't make our bathrooms at home as clutter-free as those in a hotel because of course we have our personal items we have to use. But what I recommend is to use as much clothes storage as possible. So try to think outside the box when you are organizing the inside of your bathroom vanity. We have some IKEA kitchen cabinetry as a bathroom vanity, so we have quite a few drawers and doors. I bought some boxes. You can grab some clear organizers from IKEA. They have some great ones in their bathroom line, and I'm taking everything off the counter and putting it in there. And I know this is something that has to be ongoing, that Sean and I have to commit to putting things away from the counter. Instantly, once I take things off the counter, the whole bathroom just already feels so much better, so much more relaxing and soothing. Cleaning your bathroom really well is also going to make it feel so much more high-end and relaxing. I love to use scrubbing bubbles on my glass shower door first to get that scum off, and then I like to use a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar and water, and I find that does a really good job of getting all the scum off and making my shower door really sparkle. The next thing that I think can really make your bathroom feel fantastic is to add some LED lighting. So whether that's a strip around your shower like we have, whether it is wired right in, or whether you just grab something off of Amazon with a battery pack, you can add it around your shower, you can add it underneath your vanity, on the toe hook of your vanity. That LED strip lighting adds a mood and an atmosphere and that sort of rich feel to your bathroom, and it doesn't have to cost you that much. Ours in our bathroom is remote operated, which I really like, and it just makes that shower area feel so chic. You probably know by now that I am a super fan of white textiles when it comes to anything in the bedroom and the bathroom. Of course, I love white sheets, duvet covers, pillowcases, but then in the bathroom, I love crisp, fluffy white towels, bath mats, and housecoats. We've had white textiles in our bathroom forever, and the ones that we have are probably about 10 years old right now. I did have to buy some for our vacation rentals, so I grabbed a few extra for our bathroom, and I'm gonna set them up in here. High-end hotels all have white linens and white towels, and that just lets you know that everything is crisp and clean, and that's what I like about them. But how do you keep white towels white, you ask? My favorite product, and this is not sponsored, I just love it and I've been using it for years, is OxiClean White Revive. I have a subscription to this on Amazon. I get it every single month, use it at our vacation rentals and at home. Whenever I do a load of towels, I add a scoop of that in. It just keeps everything nice and white and fresh. Another tip with white towels and white robes is once you're finished washing them in the oxygen bleach, give them a good shake and then put them in the dryer. That way they remain nice and fluffy. Another element that I've seen in high-end hotel bathrooms are little side tables and accessory tables in the bathroom. And on these tables, you can put things like rolled towels, toiletries, etc. And if you want this in your own bathroom, get creative with it. And that's what I did in ours. So I found this little round table at the thrift store. I love the faux marble top and the gilded gold bottom. Now we have polished chrome accessories in our bathroom, but I do love mixing and matching metals. So bringing this gold in just adds that little luxurious touch into the bathroom. It fits perfectly in this corner, and I'm going to use it to place some rolled towels on top to give my bathroom the spa-like feel that I want. If you don't find a round side table that you love at the thrift store or at the antique store, check out a garage sale. maybe go to the thrift store and get a counter stool, and you can cut the legs off and make that into a table. And you can paint it, you can stain it, you can upcycle it to make it match your bathroom perfectly, and just add a little accessory that's fun to style. A touch that makes hotel bathrooms look extremely high-end is how they keep all of their bottles consistent. So the shampoo, the conditioner, the body wash, the hand soap, it's all consistent in really simple bottles. So when we went to one of my favorite hotels in Montreal, such a treat, they in their bathroom had these very chic black and white bottles. So I wanted to replicate that in our bathroom. I found the 500 milliliter black and white bottles with just chic, simple labels off Amazon. I will link them down in the description box below, as well as everything that I'm using in today's video. And then I also found this brand of body wash, shampoo, conditioner, cleaning called Attitude. So this is a Canadian eco-friendly brand, and they sell their products in bulk boxes. So that way I can refill these bottles over and over again. I'm using less packaging. I love this product. I've used it for a little bit already. The shampoo smells incredible, this orange one. And then I can just refill these bottles. And I'm storing the boxes in my cabinets. This is a way to use less packaging and then also make my bathroom look consistent, look chic, and look more like a spa. Another way to make your bathroom feel incredible is to set up almost a little sanctuary feeling in the bathtub area. Make that area feel extremely special, and you can do this with a DIY tub tray. It is a lot easier than you might think to make. To make mine, I just used some scrap wood. I have this Micropro Sienna treated lumber, and I have 2 deck board pieces and then 2 2x2 scrap pieces. I'm measuring my tub, and I'm gonna make my bathtub tray about 4 feet long. And then I'm also measuring the inside of my tub because that's where I want my bumper pieces to go. I cut my lumber to size, and then I'm flipping it upside down. I'm taking one of my little 2x2 bumper pieces and making sure that it's a little bit shorter than the 2 deck boards put together. I'm also making sure that the bumper piece is far away enough from the end of my bathtub tray to fit inside of my tub. Your measurements are going to be unique to the tub that you have. Then I'm taking my drill and some wood screws and putting 4 screws in the bumper, and make sure those screws are long enough to go through that 2x2 piece of wood and into the lumber below. I'm repeating this on the other side, making sure my 2 deck boards are nice and snug together. As a final touch, I'm taking some felt pads and just putting 2 to 4 of them on either side of my tub tray, just so that it sits nicely on top of my tub and doesn't ruin the finish on my tub as well. I'm flipping this over, and this is such a beautiful tray that I'm going to use in my tub. You can put wine on it, your phone, you can put flowers and greenery, little touches that make your bathtub area feel special. This just makes me want to have a bath, and I don't usually have time for a bath. I'm a shower kind of girl, but now I want to sit here and just relax. I love this tray, and I hope you make this one too. Putting a well-lit makeup mirror in your bathroom is going to instantly make your bathroom feel like a place you actually want to be in, you actually want to get ready in. I found this one off of Amazon, nice and budget friendly. What I love about this one is it's wall mounted, so it's not going to add to that cluttery feeling on my counter. It's really easy to mount to the wall with some screws. You can use some drywall anchors if necessary. Another thing I love about this one is that you can just charge it with a cable, so you can charge it with the cable and a battery pack, or if the cord is long enough, you can plug it into your outlet. It has a couple different settings, so you can use the cool light setting or the warm light setting, and you can press and hold the button right on the mirror to make it brighter or dimmer. So now when I'm getting ready in the morning or in the evening, I can just pull this mirror right out of the wall. It makes putting on my makeup so much easier, and it's just like little touches like these just make such a difference in a space. I don't think we realize how much of a difference scent makes in home decor, especially in a room like a bathroom. Having a scent that brings back some memories for you or makes you think of places that you've been to is so powerful. And you can do this in a few different ways. So if you want to do it in a budget-friendly way, just use your favorite candles. You can also use some scented room spray. One little extra that I love to do, and I'm going to do it in my bathroom here, is taking some eucalyptus and just draping that over your shower head. So when you take a shower, the scent of of the eucalyptus is refreshing and it adds so much to your space. I also love this scent machine. This one's by Aromatech. Now it's a little bit pricey, so it is a bit of an investment, but the oils inside, you can buy them, they last a really long time. The backstory to this is we actually got it for our first vacation rental. Most of our guests loved it and it just added to that luxurious feeling of the space, but it wasn't the best for our scent sensitive guests. So now we just make the whole place scentless, but this is great if you know the scent that you love. I love this hotel scent. It just feels so rich and beautiful. And I can hook up this machine to my phone via Bluetooth, and you can decide if you want the scent to go, you know, every hour, every 3 hours, once a day, however you need to scent your space. And adding these luxurious scents to your bathroom is gonna make such a difference, I promise you. So here's how our primary bathroom looks now. I think all these small touches make a huge difference in how this space looks, feels, and functions. Let me know down in those comments below what you think. If you have any tips and tricks on how you would make your space, your bathroom space, feel more like a 5-star hotel, let us know in the comments below. If you're looking for some bathroom organization ideas, I'm gonna leave a video for you to watch next right up here.